G'day folks. I recently did a job where I made 3 parts off of a blank, and these were the stubs I was left with. Looking at them I thought, that's a lot of scrap. Now these blanks are 17mm long and the parts I was making were only 12mm long. As I had a set of soft jaws that were suited to this diameter and only 5mm deep, I thought I'd have a go see if I could make some parts from those blanks. That was a slot drill being used as a drill and then as a boring bar. Now we turn down the OD and face one end. Then we have a program halt so the part can be turned around. You can see here that the drilled hole hasn't gone all the way through. The slot drill actually wasn't long enough to do that, but it doesn't matter because the material with no hole has just disappeared and now there's a hole. So this is just the other end being formed. And that's a one-hole countersink finishing the job off. And that is the finished part. Now we just do a run through with the camera moved a bit further away and no simulation. Don't think you need me to talk through the rest of this, so I'll just say leave a comment if you want to. Always happy to have comments. All those parts were able to be sold, so it was good use of the scrap because I'd underestimated a bit the amount of material I needed. So if you're still here, thank you for having watched all the way through.